Check out this 2006 Chrysler Sebring Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AC, AM/FM stereo, power steering, driver adjustable lumbar, rear defrost, CD player, and trip computer. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.